Guys, remember this. The closer you get to God, the more you become aware of your sin. You see, na-realize ko to when I read Isaiah chapter 6 verse 5. When Isaiah said there, "Woe to me, I am ruined, for I am a man of unclean lips." Imagine guys, that's already Isaiah, the most famous, one of the greatest prophets in the Old Testament. He was used by the Lord to bring redemption and encourage hope to the people of God. And yet, feeling niya, ang dumi-dumi pa rin niya. Kung si Isaiah, ganun yung naramdaman niya, how much more for us? That should be a warning to us. Kapag hindi mo na nararamdaman yung sin, kapag manhid na yung sarili mo sa kasalanan, hindi mo na nakikitang mali yung ginagawa mo na para sa'yo, okay lang, okay Lord. That's a reminder that you are not getting close to God. Always have your heart check. Go back to God, read your Bibles, and begin to know God even more. Follow me for more 1 minute long.